Hey, this is a quick review of the Belkin USB-C to HDMI adapter. So we're basically going to take, if you have a USB-C opening, a port that is in like in in the new MacBook Pros, uh, and you have an HDMI cable, you can actually plug it into your computer and then get your computer to show up on your TV. And we're going to see if it works. So I just pulled it out of my Apple TV, the HDMI cord, and I'm showing you that I'm with one hand, which is being very sloppy, that I'll put the camera down and fix that. So I'm just putting it in that slot and then, securing it. Now, I did that. There you go. So at first, I have to find what the signal's coming through on the TV, whether it's HDMI 1, 2, 3, or 4. Mine is 4, I believe. So I'm going to go down there and see, bam, there it is. And now that's exactly the duplicate that's on my computer. I'm going to open up a picture here on the computer and see if I can bring it to the top to show you. And bam, there it is. So I love it. It works really well. And it's yet one more dongle that I get to add to my USB MacBook.